Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you step by step how I made these really fun tie-dye cookies. Start by outlining your cookie with piping consistency icing and let that set for about 10 minutes. Next, sketch your design onto the cookie with an edible marker. It can get a little confusing making sure you get every color where it needs to go, so I recommend writing out a cheat sheet so you know what colors go where. Orange, blue, white, and pink are the colors I'm using. Next, you'll want to have all your icing ready to go, and you want them all to be flood consistency. All of these colors are 10-second consistency. Start on one edge of the cookie and work your way to the other, making sure you don't leave an edge out for too long without icing next to it, or it'll start to crust. As you flood two colors together, take your scribe tool and drag it back and forth to create the tie-dye effect. Make sure you're dragging the icing toward the middle for a true tie-dye look. And that's it. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like button and make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out on any future videos. I have something really fun planned for Christmas and I'd love to have you here. Thanks so much for watching and I'll see you next time.